Today, you will learn how to make a cent sign in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor exactly where you want the cent symbol to appear. This is very important because Word will insert the symbol at the cursor position. Now look at your keyboard. On the right side, you will see a numeric keypad. This is different from the number keys at the top of your keyboard. You must use the numeric keypad for this method to work. Press and hold the Alt key, and while holding it, type 0162 using the numeric keypad. As soon as you release the Alt key, you will see the cent symbol appear in your document. If nothing happens, check that numlock is turned on and make sure you are not using the number keys from the top row. There is another very easy shortcut method you can use. Again, place the cursor where you want the cent symbol. This time, press and hold the Ctrl key, and then quickly press the / key, followed by the letter C. When you release the keys, the cent symbol will appear instantly. This method is very quick and useful when you need to type the symbol again and again in a document. These shortcuts save time and make your work look professional, especially when typing prices, currency values, or educational material. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.